elevator. I don't know what people are thinking, but I think I'm crazy. Guys, I'm crazy. Don't do this at home! Good morning, beautiful CVPs. Welcome to my channel. I'm Caroline, Wont Pets Hold, and I have 6 birds. Right now I have 3 macaws with me, Faith, Hope, Glory, and Angel, and Destiny, and Love. And we are right now in Las Vegas, and we're gonna go down the strip with a Segway with 3 birds on my shoulder and put smiles in people's faces. So I'm right now in the park house here at Trump Tower, and I'm getting the birds out right there. So let's do it. All right, guys, so I finally managed to get out all 3 birds, and Hope didn't want to come out first, but he did came out. So let's lock the car, let's put on the Segway, and let's do the thing what I thought we were gonna do. Okay, this is a little tricky. All 3 birds, we did this before. Let's wait for cars. So we're doing it. We're Segwaying in Las Vegas with 3 birds. Check this out, guys. Ooh. Okay, so far so good. Come on. Okay, guys, so far so good. The birds seem like to enjoying it. We are heading right now to the strip and Segwaying through Las Vegas. As you can see, this is Las Vegas. We are right now passing the Trump Tower. Hey, Trump! Trump Tower. Oh wait, why are we going up? We shouldn't go up, we should go down. We should go down on the street. We are Segwaying through Las Vegas. Hi! Hi! And then we're gonna say hi to people and put smiles on people's faces. Oh, you're laughing, you like it? And I have Love and Hope on my on a harness, but I don't have Glory on a harness because she doesn't take harness. Hi, thank you. Oh my gosh, Hope is laughing. You guys can see. Hi, hi, hi. Passing through. Yeah, passing through. Glory, why you want to come down? Stay up there. Stay up there. Okay, so far so good. Hope has seemed to enjoy it. He's laughing. Glory is a little unsure. And Love is just a baby. He's just having fun. Alright, oh my gosh. Imagine I have to walk all this way. This seems so far. Look at that. I know. Okay guys, we did it. We are on the strip right now. Check this out. Here is the wind. Right there is the wind. And this is Las Vegas. I am here with Love, Hope, Glory. Love, Hope, Glory. And this is the strip. Birds. All right, so far so good. No, stay up there. Wow, Las Vegas is so loud. Like, Las Vegas is so loud. Hi. Hi. Excuse me. All right, look at the people's reaction. Hi. Wee, look at this. So guys, again, we are in Las Vegas on the strip. I'm here with my 3 macaws. Hi! Saying to people. Hi. So this is fun. So far so good. So we're gonna try to do the Bellagio. I want to go to the fountain, and also I want to go to Paris. Oh look, this is Palazzo. Palazzo. Guys, what do you think? What do you think? Is this fun? Is this fun or what? Hi. Vegas, baby! Vegas! Oh no, how should we cross the street? Oh, we have to go up. Oh my gosh. Okay, now first obstacle. We have to cross the street, but here's a bridge. Hi! So we might need to go up and down there in the elevator. Okay, I don't know how my birds will react into the elevator, but we'll try. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Space for me? Space for me? Thank you. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi. 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 It's a beautiful day to be alive. Oh, are we going up? Anybody pressing the button? Oh, there we go. There we go. You like birds?
Yeah.
Yeah? You know what type of birds this is?
No, parrots.
Yes, parrots. But the biggest parrots in the world, they are macaws. Yeah. Thank you. Have a wonderful day in Las Vegas. Let's go. We did it, guys. We are up in the bridge. Okay, now we have to go back down on the bridge. I know. Oh my gosh. So this is Treasure Island right there. Treasure Island. Hi. Treasure Island. Now we have to go back down in the elevator. I don't know what people are thinking, but I think I'm crazy. Oh, the elevator is there. Let's get back down. Wait, wait, wait for me. Wait. Thank you. Do I fit? Do I fit? Do I fit? Thank you. Hi, guys. Look, my birds. Oh, you guys like birds? Yeah. Yeah. This is Hope, Love, and Glory. So it doesn't say names. Bye. Happy stay in Las Vegas. All right, let's get out. Okay, we did it. We crossed the street in the bridge. Yay! Let's move on to the strip. Hi. It's a beautiful day to be alive. Yeah. Okay, so. Oh my gosh, I'm crazy, guys. I'm crazy. Don't do this at home. I'm crazy. Hi. Hi. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's another bird. Guys, what do you think? Selfie. Look, this is a ship. Look. No, Glory, go up. Hi. 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 Good, good. Hi. Wow, look at this. We are in Las Vegas, guys. I know. Hi. We are in Las Vegas. Angelic Parrots, Caroline Wont is in Las Vegas live with my 3 birds. And everything seems good so far. Oh, wait. It's so sunny. I might need to get my... Oh, let's get a selfie right here.
And then when
Hi. All right. Selfie time. Hello. Okay. Let's move on. All right. Hi. What? These your parrots? Yes, they're my parrots.
Did I speak?
Yes. Thank you so much. This is Hope, Love, and Glory.
Hope and glory.
Hope and glory and love. Yeah, thank you.
That's so cute.
Are you guys on
Yeah.
Angelic Parrots.
Angelic Parrots.
Angelic Parrots.
They're very cute.
Bye. Hi. Absolutely. Thank you so much. Go for it. Are you on Instagram?
Yeah.
Angelic_parrots. That's us.
Hold on, can I
Tag
on
us.
Instagram right now, so tell them again.
Angelic, like angels, Angelic_parrots.
Okay, let me just... Sorry.
Yeah, and then tag us.
Yeah, I'm about to tag you guys right now.
Cool. Smile.
Is it again?
Angelic_parrots. Yes. So this is Hope, Love, and Angel. No, Glory. Hope, Love, and Glory.
I want to FaceTime my kid. Hold on.
You want to FaceTime?
My son, because he's 3.
Oh, okay.
His birthday's coming up.
Okay.
Hi, baby.
Hi. Thank you. Ah, what?
They live at your place.
Yes, but I'm from Los Angeles.
Which
Yeah.
they stay in a big cage.
Oh, in cages, yes. Yes, in cages.
So they talk?
Yes, they talk.
What's their name?
Oh, don't break your harness, baby. He's breaking it. Don't break it. We need it.
What's their name?
Oh, this is Hope, this is Love, and this is Glory. Love, Hope, and Glory.
Do you mind if we guess what are you doing right now?
Oh, I'm videoing for YouTube. I'm a YouTuber.
Oh.
Yeah, so you guys will be on YouTube. On my channel, Caroline Von Petzold. Hey, don't break it.
No, I straight one or not?
No, they bite. They bite, unfortunately.
Is that Glory?
Yes, this is Glory.
Glory's the nicest.
Yeah, she's also older. They're all younger. She's smart. Yeah, follow and subscribe on YouTube. Don't break it.
I love her.
All right, bye.
My YouTube channel?
Oh, Caroline Von Petzold.
Okay.
Or when you just go Hope, look for Hope the Parrot. You'll find us. Bye. Bye. Oh my gosh, they were so nice. This is fun, guys. But I'm a little worried because Hope just ate his harness, so I hope he won't fly away. But no, it should be fine. I'm securing him too. Oh my gosh, there is so many people. Oh my gosh, look at this ocean of people. How should we ever get through this? Okay, one step at a time. Oh, one right at a time. One right at a time. Hi! Hi. 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 Smile, you in Las Vegas. Hi. Hi guys. Hi. Uh-oh. Somebody just spooked Glory. But everything is fine so far. We meet a lot of nice people. We are passing Treasure Island. And here's the Venetian. Look at that. Last time I was in Las Vegas was 2 years ago when Dino died. That was sad. And now I'm back with Love, Hope, and Glory. What an angelic transformation. Alright guys, so look at that. Hi. You guys like parrots?
Yeah.
This is my parrot Hope, this is Glory, and this is Love. Yeah. They are the biggest parrots in the world. Alright, let's go and cross the streets. Cross the street. Let's go here, down. Look at the streets. Oh my gosh. I need to make sure that I drive in a... Oh, don't bite my glass. Make sure that I drive in good roads and not broken roads. Good thing I'm a good Segway driver. Alright, so we are right now at the Mirage. Getting up to the Mirage. Crossing an ocean full of people. Look at that. They are all on feet. I am on wheels. They are all on feet. I am on wheels. So let's move on. Hi. Nobody says hi back. Oh wow. Excuse me. What happened? Oh, you're afraid?
Why are you leaving?
All right, guys. So we are in Las Vegas right now. Check this out. We are at the Mirage. Oh, Hope, I know. Oh, hi Snoopy. Hi Miniton. Hi, hi. I am here with, did I get away from that person? I'm just afraid when somebody's drunk and they can snack out and then my bird's spooked. So I have to be really careful not to meet drunk people. All right, here's the Venetian, guys. Let's make a selfie at the Venetian. Wait, Chloe, wait. Selfie, selfie. Good, selfie. Selfie, good, let's move on. Okay, we need to cross now the street. And we are having red. Oh, look at their angels. What do you think? Look at, they're the same color like Hope. People are catching up. And this is the Mirage. Okay, selfie at the Mirage. One selfie. 1, 2, 3. Oh, people are crossing the street. So let's cross the street. All right, let's cross the street. There we go. We're gonna go around. This is the strip of Las Vegas. It's so busy. So busy. Oh, hi! Little angels! Oh. My birds are freaking out of your feathers. Feathers? Yeah. Let me get away. Bye! Oh, I know. So the birds thought they were predators. They had big angel feathers. They look like predators, so they all freaked out. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just gonna go up to the Bellagio or Paris and then I'm gonna turn around and that's it. This is so much fun! Woo! Oh, look at angels. Angels. Hi! Hi! Whee! Oh, selfie at the Mirage. Selfie. Oh, I'm sorry. 1, 2. No, Glory, go up. Selfie. Glory. Glory. We're doing selfie. Go up. Go up. Selfie. All right, let's move on. This is the Mirage. The Mirage. We are in Las Vegas right now. Angelic Parrots here. I know. Hope, love, and Glory with me. And we are segwaying through the strip. Oh my gosh, I'm so crazy. Hi. Hi. Oh, watch it. Pay attention to the street. Pay attention where you go. Whee! Is it fun? Look, we are in Las Vegas. Look at, guys, you have to see the reaction from the people. Hi. Hi, it's a beautiful day to be alive. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
I'm so crazy. Hi, it's a beautiful day to be alive. Hola. Smile, hola. Hello. Oh wow, look at this. Wow. Okay, selfie. Alright, so we are passing now the Mirage and heading now to the Venetian, I think. And Hope is still chewing on his harness. Don't chew on your harness. Hoppy, don't chew on your harness. Hi. How are you? Thank you. Thank you.
Gorgeous.
Thank you. What about my birds?
You see those all the time.
Ah. Thank you.
I was stationed in Honduras.
Oh yeah. Don't do that. No. No. Oh shit.
A boy and girl?
Oh, don't come too close. They bite.
Is it boy and girl?
He's a boy.
Oh.
He's a boy. Hi. We have quite a fan club behind us. Hi. Okay, so Hope is chewing on his harness. You can see it's a little tricky. Alright, I need to kind of stop somewhere and put another harness on him. Luckily, I did brought a spare harness in case something like that happens. So I was thinking about like a backup plan. And look at that, he's almost through it. And when he's through it, he's loose and he can fly away. So we won't let that happen. Okay, we need to stop somewhere and put another harness on Hope. So he has 2 harnesses. All right, moving on. Moving on, we are at the Mirage. Hi. 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 Hi, guys. Oh, look, that's Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Hi. Hi, Mickey. Sorry, my birds will spook. They're afraid of Disney. My birds are afraid of Disney. Okay, and moving on to the strip. Whee! We are in Las Vegas and we are passing Harrods. Oh, that was a squawker from what? What is going on? Look at, we are so fast because we are on wheels. I'm the crazy bird lady. Wow, what is that? OMG. Oh, that's scary for birds. Is that scary for birds? That's scary for birds. Okay, we are moving on to Caesar Palace. Whee! Hi, guys. Woo! This is Caesar Palace. Here's the Neptune guy. Here is Hope. Let's cross the street. Cross the street. All right, this is crazy. I am on my Segway in Las Vegas. Hi. Putting smiles on people's face when they see birds. I think people always smiles when they see birds. Oh yeah. What is this? Caesar Palace. Caesar Palace. All right. Excuse me. Coming from the left. Thank you. Thank you. Alrighty. Made it through. Made it through, people. All right. How do I go through here? Okay. All right. Excuse me. On your left. Be careful, thank you. Just giving them some warning. And move on. Geez, where's the Bellagio? This seems like endless, this strip. That's Hope screaming. Wow, this is so busy, so busy. I don't know if this was a good idea. Guys, I don't know. I'm a horrible bird person. Wait, I don't know if my birds are happy or angry. Hope was like screaming. All right, let's move on. Look at the sea of people. Hi. 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 Okay, so I once had a fortune cookie, and in the fortune cookie they always says hi to someone because it will make your day happier. So says hi to people. Hi. 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 Where should we go? Hi. All right, we have to go down here and we have to go up here. Up here like this. Uh-oh, Hope is almost through with his harness. Check this out. Once this is broken, I need to like put another harness on him. Don't chew your harness. Stop it. Stop it. He already broke one harness. Oh, I'm sorry. He already broke one harness. No, Glory, step up. Don't come down. Alrighty. Getting to the strip. Oh, there's Paris. Okay, once we hit Paris and Bellagio, we're gonna turn around and that's it. Because this will be a very long vlog in Las Vegas with birds. Hi. Alright, hi. Let's move it. Hi. Passing by. Passing by. Hi. Passing by. Oh, people on wheels. This is Las Vegas, guys. Hi. 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 All right. So there's Bailey's and there's Paris. Oh, look. An angel without head. Let's say hi. Look at that. Angel without head. Oh, sorry. Hi. Hi. Bye. Bye. Alrighty. So we just passed what? Caesar Palace. Selfie on Caesar Palace. Oh, no. No. You go up. there. Go up. Hi. 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 Hi, 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 hi. Whee! Hi. Hi. Dang, I should have business cards and pass out like subscribe to Caroline Wont Petzold on YouTube. The most craziest YouTuber on YouTube. Crazy bird lady. Hi. I'm having a blast right now. Oh my gosh. To do this, you really need to have confidence. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, so. Come on. Okay, so there's one more bridge we have to cross before we can go over the street. So we have to go back onto the elevator. Wait for the elevator to come up. Oh my gosh, this is more harder than I thought. And Hope is chewing on his harness. He's almost through. This is really scary because once he's through, he can fly away and then he's not secure.